Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the wooden furniture restoration by showing you a collection of different wooden craft project ideas items. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden furniture restoration for profit is a compelling venture that combines craftsmanship, creativity, and sustainability, offering artisans and entrepreneurs a unique opportunity to breathe new life into old, forgotten pieces while generating income. As consumers increasingly seek eco-friendly and sustainable options in their home decor, the appeal of restored furniture has grown significantly. This trend not only highlights the beauty of vintage and antique items, but also emphasizes the importance of reusing and repurposing materials, contributing to a more sustainable approach to consumption. The art of furniture restoration goes beyond mere repairs. It involves a deep understanding of the materials, techniques, and historical context of each piece, allowing restorers to honor the craftsmanship of the original makers while adapting the furniture to contemporary tastes and needs. For those considering this path, the journey begins with a passion for woodworking and an appreciation for the stories that each piece of furniture holds. Every scratch, dent, and imperfection tells a tale of its history, and part of the restoration process is recognizing and respecting that narrative while enhancing the piece's functional and aesthetic qualities. In the realm of restoration, one of the primary motivations is the desire to transform neglected items into stunning focal points within a home. This transformation often involves a careful assessment of the furniture's condition, identifying areas that require repair or replacement, and devising a plan that respects the original design while incorporating modern elements. For instance, a weathered dining table might be stripped of its old finish, revealing the rich wood grain underneath, which can then be enhanced with a new stain or finish that complements the surrounding decor. This process not only revitalizes the furniture but also creates an opportunity for the restorer to showcase their skills and creativity, turning a once-forgotten piece into a coveted item that appeals to buyers looking for unique, handcrafted pieces. The restoration process can also be seen as a form of storytelling, where the restorer becomes the narrator, weaving together the past and present to create something new and beautiful. Financially, the potential for profit in furniture restoration is substantial, especially when one considers the current market trends favoring unique, artisanal products over mass-produced items. Many consumers are willing to invest in high-quality, restored furniture that not only serves a functional purpose, but also adds character and warmth to their living spaces. This willingness to pay a premium for restored pieces opens up various avenues for profit, whether through direct sales at artisan markets, online platforms, or bespoke commissions. Additionally, restorers can build a brand around their work, creating a loyal customer base that appreciates the artistry and craftsmanship involved in each piece. Marketing restored furniture effectively involves highlighting the unique qualities of each item, the techniques used in the restoration process, and the sustainable aspects of reusing and repurposing materials. By sharing the story behind each piece, its history, the challenges faced during restoration, and the final transformation, restorers can engage potential buyers on a deeper level, fostering a connection that goes beyond mere transactions. Moreover, the restoration process itself can be a source of inspiration and motivation for artisans, as it often involves problem-solving and creativity. Each piece presents its own set of challenges, whether it's repairing structural issues, matching stains and finishes, or finding the right hardware to complete the restoration. This hands-on experience not only hones technical skills, but also nurtures a sense of accomplishment and pride in one's work. As restorers overcome obstacles and witness the transformation of a piece from dilapidation to beauty, they gain a greater appreciation for the craft and the history of the materials they work with. This journey of discovery can be incredibly fulfilling, fueling a passion for woodworking and restoration that drives individuals to continue honing their skills and expanding their knowledge. In today's digital age, the accessibility of information and resources related to furniture restoration has significantly increased, providing aspiring restorers with a wealth of tutorials, videos, and community forums where they can learn and share their experiences. This wealth of information can be incredibly motivating, as it empowers individuals to take on projects they may have previously deemed too challenging. Additionally, social media platforms serve as powerful tools for sharing completed projects, connecting with fellow artisans, and attracting potential customers. By showcasing before and after photos of restored pieces, restorers can create a visual narrative that captures the transformation process and highlights their skills. This engagement not only builds an online presence but also fosters a sense of community among those passionate about restoration, offering support, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities. Furthermore, the growing interest in sustainable living and environmentally friendly practices aligns perfectly with the principles of furniture restoration. In a world increasingly aware of the environmental impact of consumerism, restoring old furniture is a responsible choice that promotes a circular economy. By salvaging and repurposing existing materials, restorers help reduce waste and conserve resources, resonating with consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. This alignment with eco-conscious values provides an additional layer of motivation for restorers, as they can take pride in their contributions to environmental stewardship while also building a profitable business. As the restoration business grows, it also opens up opportunities for collaboration and expansion into related areas, such as interior design or custom furniture creation. Many restorers find that their skills and aesthetic sensibilities naturally lead them to offer design consultations, helping clients choose pieces that complement their homes while incorporating restored items into cohesive designs. This expansion not only enhances the service offerings but also allows restorers to establish themselves as experts in their field, further solidifying their reputation and market presence. The ability to combine restoration with design creates a unique niche that can attract a diverse clientele, from homeowners looking for distinctive pieces to businesses seeking to enhance their spaces with character and charm. Additionally, workshops and classes focused on furniture restoration can serve as both a revenue stream and a means of sharing knowledge and skills with others. By teaching others the techniques and principles of restoration, artisans can inspire a new generation of woodworkers and crafters, fostering a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate the value of craftsmanship. These workshops can be tailored to different skill levels, from beginners interested in basic repair techniques to advanced artisans looking to refine their skills. The act of teaching not only reinforces the restorer's expertise but also provides an avenue for connection and collaboration, creating a supportive environment where creativity can flourish. Ultimately, the journey into wooden furniture restoration for profit is one marked by passion, creativity, and a commitment to sustainability. The ability to transform forgotten pieces into beautiful, functional items is not just a skill, it is an art form that requires patience, attention to detail, and a deep appreciation for the materials and techniques involved. Each restoration project presents an opportunity to engage with history, preserve craftsmanship, and create something uniquely personal that resonates with buyers. As consumers continue to seek out distinctive, sustainable options for their homes, the demand for restored furniture will likely grow, offering restorers a rewarding and profitable path that aligns with their values and creativity. In embracing this journey, artisans not only contribute to a more sustainable future but also honor the legacy of craftsmanship, ensuring that the beauty and functionality of wooden furniture endure for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.